Hello everyone. In last video we have discussed some questions related to method of substitution. So today we will discuss about some more question by the same method of exercise 7.2. So look at question number 17. We want to find out integration of x upon e raised to power x square dx. We want to find out integration of this. We know that integration of e raised to power x, but here x upon e raised to power x square. Suppose x square as t, then this is in the derivative form. So suppose x square is equal to t. Let x square is equal to t. Derivative of x square is 2x is equal to dt upon dx. So it is x dx is equal to dt upon 2 because here x dx. So we will find the value of x dx here. X dx means dt upon 2. So full function is in the form of t. So it is dt upon 2. It is dt upon 2. So dt upon 2 is constant outside and it is e raised to power t. E raised to power t dt. E raised to power t dt. So it is 1 upon 2 as it is. It is e raised to power t is in denominator. It will go in numerator. It will be minus. So e raised to power minus t dt. So integration of e raised to power minus t. 1 by 2 as it is, e raised to power minus t integration is e raised to power minus t upon minus 1 plus c, because we know that integration of e raised to power mx, integration of e raised to power mx is e raised to power mx upon m plus c. Same here, e raised to power minus t integration is e raised to power minus t upon t coefficient is minus 1 plus c. So what is answer? Minus 1 upon 2 e raised to power minus t is in numerator, it will come in denominator and power will be positive plus c. So minus 1 upon 2 e raised to power t value is x square. So it is minus 1 by 2 e raised to power x square plus c. Or we can find the integration, or we can find integration by this way also. E raised to power x square for x square as t. So if e raised to power t, if you will multiply this by 2 and divide by 2, it will be 2x 1 upon 2 e raised to power x square dx. Now we can take directly x square as t, 2x dx is equal to dt. So it is dt or 1 upon 2 outside. So if we can take in this way, look at this 1 upon 2 as it is, e raised to power t and 2x dx is dt. So we can take in this way also. Now come to 18th question. E raised to power 2x minus 1 upon e raised to power 2x plus 1 dx. Find the integration of this. So when this type e raised to power mx minus 1 upon e raised to power x plus 1, if power is 2x, then divide numerator and denominator by e raised to power 2x half, it is x. So divide the numerator and denominator by जितनी यहाँ पर पावर है उतना उसके हाफ से डिवाइड करेंगे. तो e raised to power 2x here, then we will divide by e raised to power x. Numerator and denominator by e raised to power x. This is the particular type. So e raised to power 2x minus 1 upon e raised to power x, and same in denominator. E raised to power 2x plus 1 upon e raised to power x means we will divide numerator and denominator by e raised to power x. Now e raised to power 2x upon e raised to power x. Power is same. Base is same, base same, then power will subtract in numerator. 1 upon ex is, it is 1 upon ex. In this, e raised to power 2x upon e raised to power x, then power will subtract in numerator plus e raised 1 upon e raised to power x, and it is 1 upon e raised to power x, so it will be e raised to power minus x, and same in denominator, and 2x minus x is x. So look at this, observe this. This part is, if we will take this as t, this is dt. अगर हम नीचे वाले को t लेते हैं तो ऊपर क्या आ जाएगा dt. So e raised to power x plus e raised to power minus x as t. Derivative of e raised to power x is e raised to power x. Its derivative is e raised to power minus x, and minus x derivative is minus 1. Now dx is equal to dt. So ex plus into minus minus e raised to power minus x dx is equal to dt. So look at this. This part is t, this is t, and this is dt. According to this, we have taken this as t and this is dt. So this dt upon t, integration of 1 upon t with respect to t is log of t plus c, and put the value of t here because question is in x form, so answer should be in x form. So log of ex minus e raised to power minus x plus c. Suppose same question here. Suppose question is e raised to power x minus 1 upon e raised to power x plus 1. Suppose is this type of question. So in this question we will divide numerator and denominator by e raised to power x by 2. E raised to power x by 2. And then we will get in the same way, we will take denominator as t and denominator will be derivative. Clear? Now come to one more question, 21st question. Integration of tangent square 2x minus 3 dx. Tangent square 2x minus 3 dx. We can take its derivative integration by simple. We know that tangent square, suppose tangent square x. Its integration, we want to find its integration. We can write this as secant square x minus 1. And we know that secant square integration is tangent x. And one integration is x plus c. In the same way, it is tangent square x. So tangent square को हम लिख सकते हैं secant square x minus 1. X is 2x minus 3 here. So what is the integration of this? It is tangent of 2x minus 3 upon coefficient of x minus 1. Minus 1 integration is x plus c. Or you can find its integration by taking this as t. If we want to find out integration of this secant square 2x minus 3 integration, we want to find out. Suppose this is t. 2x minus 3 as t. What is the integration of 2x? 2 into x integration is 2x derivative, sorry. 2 into x derivative is 1, 3 derivative is 0. So 2 dx is equal to dt. So dx will be dt upon 2. So it is 1 upon 2. It is t square, secant square t. And it is dt upon 2. So 1 by 2 I have taken outside. Dx value is dt upon 2. It is dt 1 by 2 outside and it is secant square t. And what is the integration of secant square t? It is tangent t. Tangent t plus c. So tangent t. T means here 2x minus 3. T is 2x minus 3. So tangent of 2x minus 3 upon 2 minus x plus c. So its integration is this. Now come to next. Suppose 25th question. We want to find integration of 1 upon cos square x into 1 minus tangent x whole square. Suppose this type of question. So look at this 1 upon cos square. We can write it secant square x. 1 upon cos square x को क्या लिख सकते हैं? Secant square x. And it is 1 minus tangent x whole square. Now if we will let this as t, this is the derivative of this. So if we will take 1 minus tangent x as t, let 1 minus tangent x as t. So 1 derivative is 0. Tangent x derivative is secant square x dx and t derivative is dt. Now minus we will take on right hand side because we have secant square x dx. So secant square x dx is minus dt. So this part is minus dt and we can take this as t because we have taken 1 minus tangent x as t. So it is t square और ऊपर क्या आ जाएगा? Minus dt. So minus of t raised to power, it is 1 upon t square. 1 upon t square को हम लिख सकते हैं t raised to power minus 2. T raised to power minus 2 because if power this function will go in numerator, it will power will be negative. So t raised to power minus 2. We know that integration of x raised to power n dx, it is x raised to power n plus 1 upon n plus 1 plus c. So same here. T raised to power minus 2 integration is t raised to power minus 2 plus 1 upon minus 2 plus 1 plus c. So it is t raised to power minus 1 upon minus 1. Minus is outside also. It is plus. And t raised to power minus 1, it will be 1 upon t plus c. So this is answer. And t, we want to, we have to write the answer is in x form because question is in x form. So t value is 1 minus tangent x. We have taken 1 minus tangent x t. And t is 1 minus tangent x. So this is answer. 1 minus 1 upon 1 minus tangent x plus c. Now come to next 29th question. Integration of cot x into log of sin x dx. We want to find out integration of this. In this question, if we will take log of sin x as t, then cot x is its derivative. अगर log sin x को हम t ले लेते हैं तो cot x इसका क्या आएगा? derivative. So log of sin x as t, let this is equal to t. Log of sin x derivative is 1 upon sin x and derivative of sin x is cos x. 1 upon sin x and sin x derivative is cos x is equal to dt upon dx. Dx will multiply in this side. So it is cos upon sine. Cos upon sine. It is cot x. Cot x dx is equal to dt. Now look at this. This is log of sin x. We have taken this as t. So this is t and this is dt. This is dt. Cot x dx is dt and this is t. So t dt. What is the integration of t? It is t power 1. So if x raised power n integration is x raised power n plus 1 upon n plus 1. Same here, t raised power 1 integration is t raised to power 1 plus 1. It means t square upon 1 plus 1 means 2 plus c. So answer is log of sin x whole square upon 2 plus c. Log of sin x whole square upon 2 plus c. This is answer. Now come to question number 33. We want to find out integration of 1 upon 1 minus tangent x dx. So 1 upon 1 minus tangent को हम लिख सकते हैं sin upon cos. So tangent x is equal to sin x upon cos x. Take LCM. It is 1 upon take LCM cos x minus sin x dx. And cos x will go in numerator. So it is cos x upon cos x minus sin x. Now we can find its derivative by integration by multiplying by 2 and divide by 2. If you will multiply this by 2 and divide by 2, so it is 2 cos x upon cos x minus sin x dx into 1 by 2. And 2 cos x को हम लिख सकते हैं cos plus cos. 2 cos x is cos plus cos. If you will subtract one sin and add some sin from here, so it will be half of cos x minus sin x plus cos x plus sin x upon cos x minus sin x dx. Now if you will take this as first part and this as second part, divide separately. Cos x minus sin x upon cos x minus sin x, it is 1. Cos x minus sin x upon cos x minus sin x, it is 1. And it is cos x plus sin x upon cos x minus sin x. Take this as second part. So one integration is x and take this is I1. We will solve this integration separately. So take this as I1. After solving it, we will put the value of I1 in this equation. So I1 is cos x plus sin x upon cos minus sin. If you will take this as t, then this will be its derivative. Cos x derivative is minus sin and minus sin derivative is minus cos. Then we will take minus common and this will be the derivative. So look at this, cos x minus sin x as t. So cos x derivative is minus sin and minus sin derivative is minus cos. Dx is equal to dt. Then we will take minus common. It is sin x plus cos x. It is sin x plus cos x and numerator is also sin x plus cos x. So minus of sin x plus cos x dx is equal to dt. So sin x plus cos x dx is equal to minus dt because we find only this one, not negative of this. So its value is minus dt. So this is minus dt and this is t. So it is minus dt upon t. And 1 upon t integration is log t. So it is minus of log t plus c. Minus of log t plus c. So it is minus of log of t value is sin x minus cos x minus sin x. T value is cos x minus sin x plus c. So this is I1, this is I1 and we will put this in the first equation. I is equal to half of x plus I1 value is minus of log cos x minus sin x plus c. So we will put in this and this is answer. This is answer. Now question number 34. Root of tangent x upon sine into cos dx. Root of tangent upon sine into cos dx. So in this type, if you will divide sin x upon cos x, sin x को किससे divide कर दे? Cos से, and cos को cos से multiply. If you will divide cos x and cos x multiply, we will get root tangent x upon sine upon cos. It is tangent. It is tangent. It is cos into cos, cos square. In this type of question, we will make tangent and secant square x in numerator. इस टाइप के क्वेश्चन में हम कोशिश करेंगे कि आपके पास एक tangent की फॉर्म में आ जाए, एक secant square की फॉर्म में आ जाए. So कोस से डिवाइड, कोस से मल्टीप्लाई, जितनी भी साइन की पावर हो उतनी कोस की पावर से डिवाइड कर देंगे तो इट विल बी टेंजेंट फॉर्म. सो इट इज टेंजेंट एक्स cos into cos, cos square, and 1 upon cos square, it is 1 upon cos secant square, and it is tangent x square root, it is tangent x. So look at this, in numerator it is tangent x power 1 by 2 and it is in denominator power 1. So we can write tangent x power 1 minus 1 by 2 and 1 upon cos square x dx. So 1 upon cos square is secant square x, this is secant square x, and this is tangent x power 1 by 2, tangent x power 1 by 2. So we can write this root tangent x and it is secant square x dx. So if we will take tangent x as t, it will be dt. अगर tangent x को t लेट कर लेते हैं तो secant square x क्या आ जाएगा, dt. Clear? So it is dt upon, this is dt and it is root t. Now root t को हम लिख सकते हैं t power 1 by 2 and if it is in numerator, so t raised to power minus 1 by 2 because power will minus in numerator. So it is dt. So it is t raised to power n. T raised to power n integration is t raised to power n plus 1 upon n plus 1 plus c. So minus 1 by 2 plus 1, here also minus 1 by 2 plus 1. So 1 minus 1 by 2, it is 1 by 2. Here also 1 minus 1 by 2, it is 1 by 2. So t raised to power 1 by 2 upon 1 by 2 plus c. 2 is in, 2 multiply is in numerator. So it is 2 root t plus c. T raised to power 1 by 2 को हम लिख सकते हैं root t. So t value is tangent x. So 2 into root tangent x plus c. 2 into root tangent x plus c. So look at question number 36. X plus 1 into x plus log x whole square upon x dx. If we want to find out integration of this, look at this part. If x plus 1 divided by x, it will be 1 plus 1 upon x. If x plus 1 divided by x, we can divide this by this, 1 plus 1 upon x. It is x plus log x whole square. Now observe this, x plus log x को अगर t मानते हैं तो ये क्या आ जाएगा, dt. This part will be dt. So x plus, let x plus log x as t. Then what is the derivative of x? 1. Log x derivative is 1 upon x. dx is equal to dt. Because dt upon dx is equal to 1 plus 1 upon x. So this part as dt. We will take this into this as dt. This is dt and this is t square. We have taken this as t. So it is t square. Now it is t square dt. Because x plus log x is t, so it is t square, and 1 plus 1 upon x is t dt. So it is t square by 3 upon t square power 3 upon 3 plus c. Its integration is t raised to power 2 plus 1 upon 2 plus 1 plus c. So it is t raised to power 3 upon 3 plus c. So what is t here? X plus log x. T is x plus log x whole power 3 and here 3 plus c. Now this is answer of this part. Now take one more question, 37th. I is equal to x cube into sine of tangent inverse x raised to power 4 upon 1 plus x raised to power 8 dx. So look at this, observe this part. If we will take tangent inverse x raised to power 4 as t, so this will in the form of dt. How? Suppose let 1 tangent inverse x raised to power 4 as t, and we know that tangent inverse x derivative is 1 upon 1 plus x square. X की place पर क्या है, x raised to power 4. So derivative of this is 1 upon x raised to power 4 whole square into d by dx of x raised to power 4 is equal to dt. Clear? It is equal to dt. Now 1 upon 1 plus x raised to power 4 square, it is x raised to power 8, and x raised to power 4 is 4x cube dx. It is 4x cube, it is dt by dx, sorry. Clear? So it is 4x cube, its derivative is 4x cube is equal to dt by dx. And now we want only x cube dx upon 1 plus x raised to power 8. So we want only this part and this part. So we can write x cube upon 1 plus x raised to power 8. Dx will be here. 4 will divide by this. So dt divide by 4. 4 will divide in right hand side. So it is dt by 4. So x cube upon 1 plus x raised to power 8 dx को हम लिख सकते हैं dt upon 4. So what is I here? This part is sin t. This part is sin t because we have taken this as t, sin t, and this part is this part and this part. So x cube upon 1 plus x raised to power dx 8 dx is dt upon 4. It is dt upon 4. So we can write dt upon 4. 4 is constant, so we can take outside 1 upon 4 sin t dt. So what is the integration of sin t? It is minus cos t plus c. Minus cos t plus c. So answer is minus 1 by 4 cos of t value is tangent inverse x raised to power 4. Tangent inverse x raised to power 4 plus c. So answer is this. This is answer.